Okay, we would like to put a component which is an undermount sink, a Blanco undermount sink, this one here. We'd like to put it into the countertop. How do we do it? Well, first of all, the thickness of this countertop is 32 millimeters. Okay, we need to know that. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up a demo sink. It's the same as the Blanco, but it's just not prepared yet. First thing to note is that this is also, flange is also 32 millimeters. Or in this case it's 32.1. That's okay, close enough. This edge here will become your countertop edging. Okay, and the origin is flush to the top edge of the counter. That becomes your cutting plane. First thing, what I'm going to do here is I want to put a line on the origin, just like that. It's temporary. And then I'd also like to then pick everything and then deselect the line. Then what we're going to do is right click and go to make component, and we're going to set up this component so that it'll cut horizontal surfaces, it'll cut the opening out, but we also have to set the component axis, and that's why I put the line in there so we can snap to it. Everything else is good. Okay, create that. Now we're going to pick the line as well because we have to make a second component, and it's again going to be a cutting component. Horizontal, cut opening, set, and it goes. Whoops. Okay. Now we're going to remove this line, and we have our component, and it's actually, if you take a look at the outliner, it's a component within a component. Save the demo, and we're going to open up the countertop. Now we're going to have to choose the folder for our local collection. SketchUp sinks, that's where I put it, and now it's available. So let's go find our demo sink. Here it is, and we're going to drop it into place. And this is crazy, but this is how this works. We're going to explode this, and we're going to have to explode it twice, and there it becomes your sink. And the next thing to note is we can go in and select this surface, and then we can paint this surface with the same marble that we use for the countertop. Now you can see that the counter, or the sink, has cut through the counter, and more importantly, it's still a component. That's why the two. And we can move it around. Additionally, we want to move it over to here and rotate it. So how do we do that? Well, I'm going to make a tagline, but I only want to come 750 from the corner. Then I'm going to pick this unit, hit M for move, and then move the origin and snap to that spot. Now the second set of guide points that are around the corners allow you to rotate it. So we'll just rotate it 45 degrees, put it into position. Finally, we'll remove the guide, and we have our undermount sink installed. Thank you very much for watching.